Here's a 2015 Honda Accord sedan. Honda's flagship car isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Bluetooth hands-free link, dual-zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. This from Kelley Blue Book. The Accord is synonymous with Honda and has been known for nearly 4 decades as a reliable, comfortable, pragmatic way to move families. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.